Oh.
I gave you some Gatorade for you.
Okay, thank you.
Alert system and NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat.
Now there goes James B60.
Forecast for the coastal waters from Cape Flattery.
Alright guys, test complete. Stayed home today because I was sick and woke up late anyway, so almost forgot I woke up 2 minutes before the test, got my camera, and rushed. So, yeah. See you guys later. Norton Washington Tech 1999, signing off.